Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. So today we are going to learn about the React Native calendar picker in the React Native. So today we are going to learn about this. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel and hit like to this video. Okay, so let's get started. So we have to install the package that is called the React Native calendar picker, right? So I have already use this one React Native calendar picker, right? So what we have done is we have a constructor, and we have set the states, right? So whatever we have a calendar picker on date change, it will set on this date change calendar this event hit, and in this we are selecting the date. Whatever the date is selected here, we are just formatting the start date with the help of the moment.js and like this. Okay, nothing else. It's very simple, very easy. By default you are selecting the state is this one. Okay, you can also, if the start date is not selected or whatever the current date it is, you can also format that date, right? Okay, so here we go with the, you can also by default if it is empty, selected start date it is empty, then you can also use the new date parameter, I guess. New date, I guess this is written. Okay, so whenever we have, you can see that by default it is this one is set it, and if I going to change this one, it is automatically changes like 28, 27, 26, right? So by default you can set it. By default the current date you will get it into this by new date, and whatever the format you want to save in the backend, you can format it or send the data according to the format of the backend with the help of the moment.js, right? And which package you need to install, I already explained you that React Native calendar picker you need to install to make such kind of things in the React Native. So it has a beautiful calendar, right? So you can choose any of the date according to it. Okay, and start do the styling according to it, right? So I think any query in that, any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.